Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to use layers. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing we're going to go ahead and do is, let's say that you just have a pretty basic new OBS scene like this. And let's say I just wanted to use a quick little overlay that I found online. So how you do it is your sources is your layer tab essentially. And let's say I wanted to use an image of my overlay, right? Let's say it wasn't animated, it was just an image. I go ahead and pull up the image like this, right? And then I wanted to add another layer of, let's say, my display capture. I would go ahead and do it like that, also in the sources. And now, as you see, this layer is above the other layers. So I'd want to go ahead and shrink this down. And then as you see, I have this layer on top of these other layers, and it's kind of working, and I can drag this up or drag it down depending on what I want over the next. And then like in this scene right here, I have my video capture device also in this corner along with the same image and also along with my Twitch chat. And then I have all these layers kind of like where I want to essentially fill out the overlay. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and put them down below. But other than that, it's been a OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.